Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will answer a few questions rather, whether playing video games is good for you or not, or there are any benefits of playing video games. I have been playing video games since my childhood days, and I am in a quest to find out whether video games is good for me. Is there any benefits of playing video games or not? And I went through a lot of blogs and studies over and over, and found out what science has to say whether video games is good for you, or is that actually bad for you, as everyone says. And in this video, let's see what science has to say about it. So if you are new here, my name is Mano. I am a Flutter developer. I have been playing video games for a long time, and I have played all sorts of games like Road Rash, Angry Birds, Dota, every game, every 3D 2D game I played in the past, and I am even playing now. So in this video, we will look into what science has to say about whether video games you should play video games, or is that actually bad to you. And let's see what science has to say about it. Let's dive into it. Yes, according to science, video games are perfectly okay, and in fact, science says that playing video games can improve a lot of your activities in the brain. Parts of your brain will work more efficiently, and you will be a better person in life. So, science actually proves that there are better ways to improve your cognitive skills via playing games, and more specifically, action games and 3D games. And yeah, there are nuances in this world. Like if you play a game for a long time, you will be addicted to this, and you might go into depression and something like that. But in this video, we'll look at only the positive effects of playing video game and how it will impact your life for better. So in a study conducted by a medical university in Berlin, found that playing games actually increases the gray matter in your brain. Actually, it increases the size of your brain literally, and helps you refine the learned and hardware skills which you have. Also, it states that playing games for at least 30 minutes a day can improve your brain capacity and memory skills by exponentially, even if you play for 30 minutes every single day. And in this study, they took a bunch of people and they divided them into three groups. And first group of people were people who played 3D games, and the second group people played 2D games like Angry Birds, and 3D games like Dota. And the third group people played no games at all. So the first group played 3D games like Dota, second group played games like Angry Birds, which is a 2D game, and third group played nothing, no game at all. And in this study, at the end of this study, they found that the people who played this 3D game actually perform better at the mental tasks, like tasks that are related to our brain. And this study was conducted for a span of 2 months, and every people in that group has to play a game for 30 minutes every single day. The person in the first group can play any game they want, any 3D game they want, and the person in the second group can play any 2D game they want. And that's a result. They found that the person who played 3D games a lot has more cognitive skills improved, and the gray matter in their brain has improved a lot. And this study says that even if you play 30 minutes of game every single day, it can improve your memory capabilities very nice. Also, playing games will improve your hand and eye coordination, which is very important in real day, and it also improves your skills, right? So, in these types of games can actually be helpful for patients who are differently able patients. So it's a nice thing to play 3D games. In another study conducted, it is found that a normal person who doesn't play games at all can focus on 3 to 4 objects at a single time. And the other part is that people who play games can focus up to 6 to 7 objects at a single time, which is interesting. And this study states that if you play games, it will improve your attention as well, like focus and attention a lot. It is also found that people who play games can differentiate colors much better than anyone else, and they can also find more details in any object given than any person who doesn't play a game at all. Specifically, people who play action games like Call of Duty something like that, can have more attention to detail, attention. They can focus much better than anyone else. Even they can focus much better than people who play 2D games like Angry Birds. In fact, researcher Daphne Beverly in one of her TED Talks said that, yeah, playing action games improved your parietal lobe, frontal lobe, and anterior cingulate, which all these three things are responsible for attention and focus. So people who play action games or have these three parts of their brain functioning much better and efficient than anyone who doesn't play a game or anyone who plays 2D games. Studies also shows that people who play games are better at problem solving, and a person who play games have this cognitive skills, and every game they play have a difficulty level, and these difficulty levels means that the player who plays the game to come up with a solution and solve the stage to move on to the next level. And this skill particularly learned in the game can eventually turn out and helpful to that person in the real world as well, and maybe improve their grades in the schools as well. Video games require some sort of cognitive skills and performance to play the game, and it makes sense. It completely makes sense that you will be better at performing those sorts of tasks in the real life as well. It's amazing. This particular study is super interesting. Here in this study, a bunch of people were invited, and they were split into two groups. The first group of people were, and especially these group of people weren't any. There were no kids. There were no teenagers in this group. Everyone was above 50 years of age. Everyone were adults. And the first group of people played a 3D game, which is Super Mario, and the second group of people played a 2D game, which is Angry Birds. And it is found that after 2 weeks of playing these games for 35 minutes to 40 minutes every single day for 4 weeks, after 2 weeks they found that people who played the first game and the second game are getting better at the recognition skills, and the memory power increases significantly. And after the second week, something interesting happened. And after second week, the people in the second group started. They weren't improving as expected. And the people in the first group were improving significantly, and the gray matter in their brain started improving a lot significantly. And this gray matter is such an important part of our brain, which results in which plays an important role in neurological diseases. And something like Alzheimer's happens because the gray matter isn't performing well. So this study is super interesting that the 3D gamers, people who play 3D game, even people above 50 years of age are better at escaping the cognitive defeats in their brain. So you might have heard people saying that having too much of screen time might affect your eyes. Playing too much of games, having too much of screen time on your PC or mobile will affect your eyes. But even I thought the same way as well. But science says that actually it will improve your eyesight significantly. Playing games or having screen time at the right amount, like the right dose, will improve your eyesight significantly. And consider for example, you are driving a car in a rainy day, and a normal person who doesn't play a game can see up to a particular distance. For example, let me say it's 100 feet. But a person who plays games and have a significant screen time can see up to 150 feet. It's a 50 feet difference, which makes a difference in a rainy day. And this study is evidence that your screen time doesn't matter, and you can play games which is in the right amount of time. Yes, of course, the nuances, if you play it for too long, it will affect your eyes, but the right dose, the right amount of time will obviously increase your eyesight. So that's it for me guys in this video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.